I'll show you how you can buy PUBG UC with an Apple gift card. So first off, you will have to open the App Store, right? After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then just select Redeem, right? So there's a very big button there, Redeem. Just press on that. After that, just tap Use Camera to scan your iTunes gift card code with your iPhone's camera. But you can also enter in the code manually if your camera is having issues. But of course, just use a camera for convenience. This is the part where you would need to scratch off the code on your phone or sorry, on your voucher. After that, that's it. You're done. The voucher you just scanned, the balance will be added onto your account, right? And it'll act like a quota or some sort. Now, with that quota, you can now just buy something on any app. So on this case, we want to buy a PUBG UC. You just have to select buy PUBG UC, whichever amount you want. And then, of course, it'll be bought with the quota you have right now on your account. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.